Quest to level 3. There are a lot of narratives here. There are actually 13 narratives, although 4 of them are narrative poems and 3 of them are just very short excerpts of graphic novels. And most of the short stories are pretty short, and even the memoirs are also pretty short. You'll be fine. But here's the warning. Nowhere in this level do I ask you questions about what happened or who the characters were or what the setting was. Or there are no English class kind of questions like that. Instead, what you're going to be doing at the end of this level is filling out a chart. That chart lists 6 narrative genres across the top: short story, narrative poem, memoir, oral storytelling, video, and graphic novel. Not in that order, because I don't have the chart in front of me. But what you're going to do is you're going to fill out, okay, how do graphic novels do dialogue? And how is that different from the way short stories do dialogue? And how is that different from the way narrative poems do dialogue? And so on. For a whole bunch of different things that are in all kinds of stories. So you're going to be making yourself some notes on this chart, and I'm grading the chart. So you will notice that the chart doesn't say who was the main character of Federico's Ghost, or what is the plot of Once by Grace Paley. None of that. And because there's none of that, you are really on your honor, for all I know, getting your chart. You didn't fully read everything. And that's just kind of going to be the way that it is. I don't want to grade a bunch of boring questions about stories that I've already read. I don't need you to tell me about the plot or the characters, because, I mean, I picked these things. I put them in the unit for you. So please do the readings. Take full advantage of this. And as you are reading them, don't just think about the genre conventions. Think about how each one of these stories shows a cultural perspective. Each one of these authors is putting something into this text because of their own cultural identity. At the end of the quest, that's what you are going to have to do. So you need to be on the lookout for it in these example texts, in these mentor texts, so that you can do that for yourself at the end. Let's take a look at the rubric, and it'll be really fast because there's just one row. My work shows a detailed understanding of the differences and conventions between the 6 different narrative genres. I mean, that's it. I want to look at your chart, and I want to see that you know how settings are described differently in memoirs versus in short fiction. Wait, that's what I want to see, is that you are able to understand the different kinds of narratives do the same things in different ways. Okay? Good luck.